Have you ever tried to change the size, dimensions, and resolution of an image for making it ready to be uploaded on a website for an application? Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to do it easily in a minute. Let's get started. Suppose here we want to change the sizes or dimensions or resolution of this image, penguins. You can check the size and dimensions before editing because in many cases, maybe your image is already ready to be uploaded. If you point your mouse cursor on the image, you can see here that the dimensions is mentioned here in a pop-up text that you can see, and the size is also mentioned, but resolution is not mentioned here. If you right click on the image and go to properties, you can see that size is also available here, 262, and in the details tab you can see the dimensions, that is 1024 as width and 768 as height, and that resolution is available here. In the vertical and horizontal direction, resolution is 96 dpi, and dpi is dot per inch. First, you should check if these specifications are according to the required dimensions and specifications mentioned on the website, so it's okay. Otherwise, you should change each item according to the required properties. And suppose we want to reduce the size to be less than 200 kilobyte and also the maximum dimensions to be at maximum 800 pixel. So these are different. Don't mix it up. Dimensions and size are different. Dimensions related to the pixels of the image, and usually it will be defined as two numbers, as you can see here. And size is related to the size that is occupied on your hard disk. So 262 kilobyte is size, but 1024 times 768 is dimensions. First, let's open it with Paint, that is available in Microsoft Windows. Usually with Edit option in the properties, in the right-click menu, in the context menu, you can reach the Paint, but in other ways, you can open Paint and open your image with this option, with Open option here. Now the image is now opened. You can see that the pixels, that is 1024 times 768 is mentioned here, and size is also mentioned here, that is 262 kilobytes. You can see that the resolution is not available here, and you can only see the dimensions and size. These are sufficient for now, and we will say how we can change the resolution as well. First, in the Home tab, in the image part, if you click on Resize option, the Resize and Screw window will be opened here. You can change the dimensions, not size directly, but size will be also changed after changing the dimensions. So if you change the pixels as 800, you will see that the vertical dimension is also changed automatically because this option is selected. If you clear this item by changing the values of each field, the other one will not be changed, and your image will be corrupted. It will be tilted, and you can see here it seems to be that penguins are fat, and it's not true. So I will undo this job and I'll do it again. So make sure that this option is selected here. By changing the pixel in horizontal, that is the maximum pixels, the maximum dimension of the image, to 800, you will see that the other item is also changed. By pushing the OK button, you will see that, yes, dimensions are now changed, and you saw that the image is now smaller than the original image. But the size is not changed yet because it's not saved on your disk. You can save it using Ctrl+S, but while maybe you need to keep your original image too, but it's better to make save as like this. I will write penguins low. Now you can see that size is also changed to 177 kilobytes. As I told, I needed an image to be less than 200 kilobyte as size, and the maximum dimension to be 800. So it's now okay. But in many cases, there is another restriction about resolution, and you should change it too. In Paint, unfortunately, there is no option to change the resolution, but you can do it easily in Photoshop. So we will switch to Photoshop. These jobs could also be done in Photoshop, but in some cases, resolution is not required, and you can do this in Paint much easier than Photoshop, and It's already available in Microsoft Windows, so you don't need to install a new software as Photoshop. But I'll show you both items. Let's first I will open the original image to show you how to reduce the sizes. As I told you in Paint, it's similar. In the image menu, you have an image size option. You can change it. It's exactly similar to the same item I showed you in Paint. Here also there is a aspect ratio, and you can see if you uncheck this box, this item is removed, and now they are not related to each other, and the aspect ratio will not be kept. So make sure that this option is selected. You can change according to the pixel or percent, as I told. So you can change it to 800. You saw that the other items are also changed. The width of the document in inch or centimeter, or any other items that you can see, point, millimeter, and picas, can be observed, and all the items are automatically changed. The other item, as I told, were not available in Paint, was resolution. But here you can see that there is a resolution item, and it can be introduced as pixel per inch. That is the same DPI, as I told, dot per inch, or pixel to centimeter. That is another item. But usually resolution is defined with DPI or pixel per inch. You can change it. Suppose in the website is mentioned that resolution should be more than 300. We will see what will be happened. If I write 300, I see that the width and height are again increased. So these are related to each other. Again, if I reduce it to 800, I will see that the resolution is maintained the same value as 300. So after pressing the OK, I will save as the file penguins low 2. Okay, you can check what quality is required. You can try different cases. If you choose the maximum value, the size will be the maximum size that can be saved. You can reduce it. Maybe in some cases you need a lower size image, but we will try first. And you can see different rates here. You can change it to set the size, final size. And this one is the best one. We will see what will be happen finally. We will check it. This is a new file that is edited in Photoshop. You can see that the dimensions are 800 to 600, but size is now increased because I selected the maximum quality of the image. We can change it later, but let's check the resolution. You can see that yes, resolution is now corrected, and so dimensions and resolutions are now true, but the size is not true yet. So if you make it smaller with decreasing the quality, I will save it as another file. Let's decrease it a bit to 9, or you can simultaneously change it, but let's just decrease the quality to 9, and we will see what will be happened finally. Now we can see that it's yes, it's less than 200. We could choose a better option. If it's more important, if it's critical and you want to be sure that the quality of your image is good, you can again increase it a bit and try again. So we can see that it's now 800 to 600 pixel and size is less than 200. But about the resolution, you should check it from the details tab, and you can see that yes, it's now 300 dpi. So it's now edited according to the requirements of that website that I described as an example in this video. You can also do another thing in Photoshop, but the easier job was the same I described. You can also copy the image and make a new image with a desired resolution and paste it there and blah blah. But the simplest way and the fastest way was the method I described in this video. I hope this video is useful for you, and thanks for watching this video, and thanks for supporting this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check other videos in our page, and leave your comments about this video and other videos on our page. See you.